Well, folks. If there's one thing about the old ice apocalypse that just happened, is there's going to be no shortage of firewood this year. If you don't have your firewood, you got bigger problems. Anyhow, I just picked up a couple more loads, got some work done, so we're gonna go head up to Uncle Russ's and do a little prospecting with them and maybe a little metal detecting at the beach. I'll catch you in a few. Hey folks, I'm heading up to Uncle Russ's. Just thought I'd show you some of the devastation here from the ice apocalypse. Got some crews in here cutting the trees down out. MDOT doing their job. Yeah, it looks like they might have most of this side, left side, cleared out. You can just see the devastation in the trees. Like I say, no shortage of firewood this year. This road, right after the storm, you couldn't even get, it was not passable. You couldn't drive through here. So many trees across the road. Alright folks, I'll catch you in a few. Well, folks. Up here at Uncle Russ's garage, and we've got ourselves a new sluice. New for us anyway. I think these are called high bankers. But it's a pretty serious one. And we're gonna run a little pay dirt.
Here's a little.
Isn't that right, Uncle Russ?
Oh yeah. Kind of what he showed me. He had.
Oh yeah, we got it up and running.
She's all about getting money.
We're just trying to get it dialed in. We don't know if that's enough flow on it there. We don't have a speed controller yet. So we got two settings. We got a 12 volt and what, you got 6 volt on that? Hit that 12.
That might be a little much.
That might be a little too harsh.
See that? You think it is?
Yeah, maybe. Turn it back down. I'll try running a little.
Well, that's kind of what. Oh, shut it off.
I'll run a little dirt and see what we got. See what happens.
Is that the new stuff?
Yeah. If it's not running off the mat, then we just have to get a speed controller so we can dial that back a little. No, we don't have one. Yeah, I think we got to turn it up. It's catching the heavy stuff, so I think we're just gonna have to run it like that till we get that speed controller. It's wide open, folks. Wide open for the gold. Oh yeah. All right, folks. Well, what we did is we picked this up used off a guy for dirt cheap. Pay dirt cheap, that is. And anyhow, he gave us a bag of pay dirt from Alaska, apparently. Didn't he say that?
Yeah, Alaska, by the Yukon.
So what we did is we ran it he had said he only ran it once, so he probably got all the big nuggets out of it. But we ran it, and I just checked the tailings, and I found a small speck in the tailings. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean out those mats into that bucket, and then I'm going to take them back to the shop. And especially since Uncle Russ won't be around there, and I can pocket all the gold. Oh yeah, no.
You rascal.
No, we're going to clean it up a little better, and hopefully I'll have my little Flower Gold Wizards cleanup sluice by then too, so I can really get the micro stuff out. We'll catch you in a few, folks. Alright folks, we ran that little bit of pay we had. This thing seems to be collecting pretty good. I don't know, we gotta really kind of dial it in a little more, but we're gonna take a ride back to the old sand piles the swamp gold, and bring back a bucket of that pay and run that. We'll see in a few. Man, are we gonna make it?
Getting awful muddy up here, ready to clean.
Hey, there's your old house. You need to move out of there like last week?
Yep, I was very little when I was prospecting out here.
Whoa, yeah. It's dried up a fair amount back here already.
Yeah, this is good. Look at the water, the ducks.
Oh, yeah.
Ducks on the pond, ducks on the pond.
Well, we got half a bucket, folks. We're gonna take this back, and
We heard some Sasquatch back there, so we thought we might.
we're getting out of here now.